Alrighty, y'all, so I want to show you guys how the lace is looking up close and personal. It actually looks like knots.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown me.
Alright, y'all, so thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It is your girl, Princess Jess. If you hear a loud blow in the background, it is my beautiful fan. New camera, new setup. It's been a minute. If my camera looks kind of weird, it's because I'm trying to like figure out how to like work this lens. But anyways, y'all, getting right into the video. Coming back at it strong. We are trying our first synthetic wig, y'all. Now, if you know, you know this shit been going viral all over TikTok. And of course, your girl was like, I gotta give it a try. Now, this is the Sensational Vice HD lace wig. I believe she's 30 inches. I could be wrong. And this is a mixed fiber unit. Now, I paid, I believe, $40 for it. I'm gonna link it down in the comment section below just in case if you guys want to get it. So let's go right into it. Well, let's get right into it. So taking her right out of the hand, and I gotta go somewhere, y'all, so just pray. Let's pray that shit eats. She motherfucking eats, because I'll be really sad if this don't give what it's supposed to give. I've been seeing the girlies all over, like, everywhere with it, like, and if it don't work for me, that's Satan in the making. Fresh out the packaging, you guys can kind of see the wave of the wig. The texture looks so beautiful. It looks more of like a crimp than it does like a water wave or loose wave type of wig, which I'm not upset about that. Now let's try to get her out of here, y'all. This is her straight out the packaging, y'all. I'm gonna run my hands through it just to kind of see. Look at me struggling. God damn. Oh Lord. I guess we're gonna have to make her work. This is the unit like straight out of the packaging on my hand. There you go. So obviously we're gonna tint her, fix her up, but I want to see how she looks on my head. I think it comes with it has adjustable straps in the back, but I'm gonna see because usually my head kind of fits everything. So oh, she's very dark. I kind of feel like it looks really thin, and it kind of gives me like a Jerry curl type of vibe. This is supposed to be 1B, y'all. This looks like it's jet black. Like, but it definitely, I can definitely feel her tangling up, but I wouldn't necessarily like do too much to the hair. Like, I wouldn't comb it or anything. I'll just like have it out. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna take my everyday wig foundation. I believe it's the Ruby Kiss. Take that on a little foundation brush, and we're just gonna brush her all up in there just to kind of, you know, give us that natural dark skin look. I don't think it's safe to bleach this hair because again, this is still synthetic, y'all. She is still synthetic. Let's hope that she gives more now that, all right, yeah, it looks way better at the roots now that we have her, you know, nice and properly tinted. Alrighty, y'all, so I want to show you guys how the lace is looking up close and personal. It actually looks like knots. It doesn't look bad at all. But I think I'm gonna end up plucking this a bit more, but we're gonna get into that in a bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot comb because apparently this allows up to 400 degrees of heat, and I'm just going to, oops, Jesus Christ, just to move her up, y'all. Please don't burn yourself because I have the tendency to always burn myself when I use a hot comb. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna move all the hair back so I kind of have a starting point of where I'm going to be plucking the unit. So we are only going to spray exactly where I, you know, am going to be showing, which is the front center of my forehead. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to spray some of that Ebin on my fingertips. Now I'm just going in with my comb and kind of like pushing my hairs back into position based off of how I sprayed the Ebin hair on there so it doesn't look stiff. I meant to say the Ebin hairspray. Now I'm gonna go in one more time with my hot comb just to reposition the hairs before I kind of start plucking. I'm just gonna take my tweezers and we're just gonna start tweezing a bit. All right, y'all, so now it's time to snip. And I kind of over plucked a bit on this side, but we gonna finesse. All right, y'all, so now that I have the lace cut, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of the Ebin melting spray on it, kind of as like a finishing touch. So we're gonna spray that on our fingertips. What I'm noticing with this synthetic shit is it gets hotter than actual hair. I don't know if that's the plastics booting up, but god damn, like I literally burned my finger with this hair like 4 different times. All right, y'all, so I think I'm done with hot combing for the most part. And that is how she looks after we take the band off. So I'm just using the foundation brush that I used earlier just to kind of blend everything out. I have a fan blowing on me right now. That's why the hair kind of looks dumb. So I'm gonna go fix up, dress up, because I'm about to go out, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final and finished look of this hair. Alrighty, y'all, so I forgot to film a finishing video for you guys as far as how the unit looks. I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see. I just came from being outside with my friends, kind of like rowdy, lots of hugging going on, lots of talking, movements, jumping, running around. So I'm gonna actually show you guys how it looks. But the lace is actually not bad at all. It's like super duper uber duper transparent, like, excuse me, not transparent, but like it's raw. Like you can, this whole area here is literally lace. Let me come all the way up for y'all. You could kind of see on, well, you could absolutely see on this side, because you kind of see like the spray and shit that meshed with my makeup. But all in all, y'all, it looks so freaking good. Actually shocked me. I saw somewhere on social media that you should use a dryer sheet to kind of take out the static that's in the hair, to kind of give it a more natural look. But I'm standing so that you guys can see. So I don't know if y'all can see, it's all the way down to my buttocks. I'm outside So this is the texture of the hair, y'all, and she is absolutely tangled. Like when I tell y'all my hair is tangled, it's tangled. Like I literally cannot run my hands through. So if you're trying to get a wig that you want to be able to run your hands through it, be able to brush it whenever you want it, this is not the girl for you. Now if you just need like a quick, you know, work wig, if you need a quick, like, you know, going out wig, this is absolutely it, y'all. I actually thought it looked really bad, but it don't look bad. And this is like my first ever synthetic wig. I definitely will continue to stick to my human hair wigs, because I just feel like you have more freedom with it. You can do way much more with it, and not have to worry about it frizzing up, not have to worry about you not being able to put certain products in it because it's gonna mat the hair. But if you're not, you know, one of those people that are like high maintenance with wigs, you should be fine. Like this wig will do it for you. As y'all can see, I am a dark skin, and she's giving what I gotta give. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be my, like, you know, on the errands wig if I need to like throw something on, put a hat on. And also the wig is actually really tight on my head, not in a bad way, but in a way where like you can feel the wig like cutting circulation to your brain. But yeah, y'all, with that being said, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl as always, and we will catch you guys in the next video.
Right outside, GT, 2-turn baby.